Brickyard 5755, we're on tower with you. We might need to discontinue this approach. Stand by. Brickyard 5755, we have a landing gear issue. We're going to need to discontinue the approach.
Brickyard 5755, LaGuardia Tower, roger. Say request. We just want to continue the approach.
We're going to continue on the course and cross above the airport, then request vectors, and we'll need to climb.
And Brickyard 5755, roger. Continue the approach for runway 31.
Can we just level off here for Brickyard 5755 and follow the approach course in?
And Brickyard 5755 from your current position, fly heading 040.
040, Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, and once you're on the 040, I just want to go back to approach to assess it more, or
yeah.
Request?
Yeah, we're going to need to assess it, and we're going to need to climb. All right, Brickyard 5755, we're going to climb to 2,000, and we can go back to approach whenever.
And Brickyard 5755, roger. Climb, maintain, turn left heading, correction, right heading 050, climb, maintain 3,000.
Right, 050, climb 3,000, Brickyard 5755.
And Brickyard 5755, departure 120.8.
120.8, Brickyard 5755. Brickyard 5755, we're on a 050 heaven, climbing to 3,000.
Brickyard 5755, New York, welcome. Understand you have a night gear issue.
Affirmative, we're going to need time to assess here. Request delay vectors.
Copy that. For now, you do have traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles westbound, Embraer level 4,000. We get you higher shortly.
Alright, we're 2,000 climbing 3,000 for Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, are you wanting to declare now, or do you want to just wait and see what you get?
We're going to wait to see what we get for Brickyard 5755.
Okay, just keep me posted.
Okay.
Brickyard 5755, climb, maintain 4,000, flighting 030.
030, climb, maintain 4,000, Brickyard 5755.
Yeah, Brickyard 5755, turn left hang at 360.
Left 360, Brickyard 5755. And for Brickyard 5755, we do have the gear down and indicating locked. We'd like to go back to LaGuardia for the approach.
Roger that. So you do not want to declare, you just want to go back into the sequence for now?
Yeah, we'll go back to the sequence, not declaring an emergency at this time.
Brickyard 5755, understand. Maintain 250 knots, 360 heading, vectors, sequencing.
Unable 250 knots, we can give you about 220 for the max for Brickyard 5755.
Yeah, I should have knew that before. Yeah, just whatever you can. Let's just make it 210 knots.
210 knots for Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, turn right 130.
Right 130, Brickyard 5755.
You got 3 in a green now, you ready to come in?
Yeah, we're good to come in for Brickyard 5755, and just for fuel planning here, what's our sequence look like?
I'm going to give you direct reg, and then you'll go overhead from there. Shouldn't really be much of a delay, if at all.
Okay, we're direct reg for right now. Yeah, we'll let you know if we need anything else for Brickyard 5755.
Alright, I got my very best tonneau controller on, so he'll be able to accomplish whatever we need here for you.
Sounds good. Approach Brickyard 5755.
Good.
Yeah, with the gear out here, we're just burning a lot of fuel, and for our numbers here, we're going to go ahead and declare that emergency just to make it official here. So we are declaring an emergency for that and request priority to LaGuardia.
Roger that. Brickyard 5755. Brickyard 5755, souls on board and fuel remaining in time.
Souls on board, 67, Fuel on board 1 hour 30 minutes for Brickyard 5755.
Thank you. Brickyard 5755, turn right heading 270.
Right, 270, Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, speed your discretion.
Speed our discretion, Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, the final controller is aware. And like I said, he's the very best. He's going to get you right in. You can call him now, 134.9er. Good day.
134.9er, appreciate your help, Brickyard 5755. New York Bridge, Brickyard 5755, back with you, 4,000.
Brickyard 5755, New York Bridge. Brickyard 5755, out of curiosity, what is your speed right now?
Speed 210 knots for Brickyard 5755.
All right, thank you. Brickyard 5755, turn left heading 240.
Left 240, Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, can we go back to 170 for you, or do you want to hold 210?
170 is fine, Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, reduce speed to 170.
170 knots, Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, turn left heading 190, descend to 3000.
190, descend to 3000, Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, turn left heading 150.
Left 150, Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, heading a 130.
Heading 130, Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, turn left heading 060.
Left 060, Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, direct Pachu at 3000, cleared RNAV X-ray 31.
Direct Pachu at 3000, cleared RNAV X-ray runway 31, Brickyard 5755.
Brickyard 5755, reduce speed to 160, contact LaGuardia Tower 187, good day.
160 knots, over to Tower 187, thanks for your help, Brickyard 5755. LaGuardia Tower, Brickyard 5755, RNAV X-ray 31.
Brickyard 5755, LaGuardia Tower, runway 31, with 34016, gust 20, clear to land.
31, clear to land, Brickyard 5755.